Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Bright Projector that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ViewSonic PX748 4K Brightest Projector. The ViewSonic PX748 to 4K is the perfect choice for your home theater. With 4K UHD resolution, 4000 lumens brightness and HDR content support, this projector delivers an immersive experience with stunning visuals that rival any theater. With low input lag and a 240 Hz refresh rate, it also offers an amazing gaming experience that will take your game nights to the next level. In addition, it supports most media players and mobile devices with various input options such as HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet LAN, 12 volts trigger, and more. With advanced features, flexible customization and connectivity, you can enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows and games from the comfort of your home, even on the brightest day, without closing the curtains. Enjoy crystal clear images, realistic colors and high contrast with the ViewSonic PX748 4K projector. Moving on at number 4, we have the ViewSonic PX701 HDH projector for a bright room. The ViewSonic PX701 HDH projector is designed to create a vivid and immersive theater-like experience in any room, no matter how bright the lighting. With a powerful 3500 lumens, this projector easily fills bright rooms with realistic Full HD, 1920 by 1080p color on a screen up to 300 inches. To ensure accurate and vibrant images, this projector also features ViewSonic's exclusive Super Color technology, which delivers a wide color gamut for beautiful images in virtually any environment. For gamers, this projector delivers smooth, lag-free images, and with its 1.1x optical zoom and adjustable vertical shift lens, it offers flexible setup, making it ideal for any size room. It also comes with a 10W speaker to complete your media experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games or creating presentations, this projector will provide an enjoyable and immersive viewing experience in any brightly lit room. At number 3, we have the Epson LS300 Ultra Short Throw Laser Brightest Projector. The Epson LS300 Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector is designed to deliver an immersive, vivid 4K experience in any lighting condition. Featuring advanced multi-dye laser diode technology, the projector delivers exceptional 3600 lumens of brightness and black density while maintaining superior color accuracy. Built-in interface Android TV offers an easy-to-use remote control that gives you easy access to all your favorite streaming channels, and a specially designed 2.1 speaker system delivers powerful sound that rivals soundbars. Plus, it comes with built-in Chromecast functionality so you can easily stream content from compatible devices to your big screen. Perfect for TV shows, sports, games, and movies, this projector has it all. Enjoy amazing Full HD images with stunning HDR quality, perfect for any bright room, and bring your home theater to life. At number 2, we have the Optima W400 LVE Professional Projector for Lighted Room. The Optima W400 LVE Professional Projector is ideal for brightly lit environments. With 4000 lumens of brightness, WXGA, 1280 by 800 resolution and 25,000:1 contrast ratio, presentations will be vivid with rich colors and sharp text and graphics. It is equipped with a variety of ports including HDMI, VGA, composite, audio in, out, USB power and 232 rupees, so you can easily connect laptops, mobile devices, Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick and Roku. The W400 LVE is also an energy-efficient projector with a lamp life of up to 15,000 hours. With vertical keystone correction of plus 40 degrees and a zoom ratio of 1.1 for flexible placement in any environment, It's easy to set up the perfect image. Plus, with its lightweight and portable design, the W400 LVE can be moved from room to room for easy sharing. With an aspect ratio of 1.55, 1 to 1.73, 1, the projector projects an impressive 120-inch image from a distance of approximately 13.1 feet. Finally, the built-in 10W speaker enhances the sound of your presentations, so you don't have to worry about connecting external speakers. Enjoy stunning presentations in well-lit meeting rooms, conference rooms, training rooms, classrooms and more with the Optima W400 VE Professional Projector. And finally at number 1, we have the BenQ MH733 Business Projector for lighted room. The BenQ MH733 Business Projector is ideal for lighted environments such as lecture halls, conference rooms and classrooms. With a high brightness of 4000 lumens and an incredible 16,000 to 1 contrast ratio, the BenQ MH733 delivers full HD, 1920 by 1080, images with vivid colors and extreme clarity. With a 1.3x zoom, the 100-inch image can be projected from 2.5 meters to 3.3 meters, making it ideal for both large and small spaces. In addition, the MH733 features automatic vertical keystone correction and corner alignment correction to ensure that the projection is perfectly aligned on any surface. The projector also offers 15,000 hours of lamp life, which significantly reduces the cost of ownership. The projector also has extensive connectivity options and comes with a range of presentation solutions, including compatibility with USB readers, integration with the QCast app, and optional wireless USB dongles. The BenQ MH733 Business Projector makes it easy to present content in a lighted environment with exceptional image quality and versatility.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.